BJP is going to be holding a nationwide dharna today. The party has said that while they're going to be holding protests across the country, COVID protocols are going to be followed by the leaders. We're going to wait and watch to see whether they are indeed followed or not. BJP President JP Nadda, who is in Kolkata, is going to be leading the party's agitation in the city. Nadda is also going to be meeting the relatives of killed party workers today. The protest is coming after BJP claims that 6 of their workers were killed in Bengal, while several others, including Shivendu, were attacked by Trinamool Congress goons. BJP also alleged that TMC men burned down their office in Arambagh on the result day.
बीजेपी पार्टियां भी
No end to bloodshed in post-election Bengal. The BJP continues to allege its workers are being attacked by Trinamool cadres. Bone-chilling incidents of BJP women cadres allegedly gang-raped and assaulted.
इतनी हत्याएं, इतनी बलात्कार, इतने लूट खसोट, कहीं कानून व्यवस्था का नामो निशान तक नहीं है। गांव से शहर तक कहीं पर लोगों का जीवन सुरक्षित नहीं है। लगभग 20 के करीब हत्याएं हो चुकी हैं और दर्दनाक हत्याएं, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार और खून, पेड़ में टांग देना बलात्कार के बाद।
The BJP and Trinamool blame game over violence continues. As the bloodshed continues on the streets of Bengal, BJP President JP Nadda met the grieving relatives of the party workers murdered in the violence.
मैं यहाँ बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो ममता जी चुनाव जीतने के बाद जो आपकी पार्टी ने जो तांडव किया है वह बताता है कि आपको प्रजातंत्र में कितना विश्वास है।
The Saffron Party has declared a nationwide bandh on Wednesday, the day Mamta is set to take oath as the Chief Minister for the third time.
এখনো পর্যন্ত রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী একবারের জন্য আবেদন জানালেন না তার কার্যকর্তাদের যে হিংসা বন্ধ করা হোক। আগামীকালের শপথ বন্ধ করে দেওয়া উচিত যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত হিংসা না থামবে। আমরা এই বিষয়ে ইলেকশন কমিশনের কাছে আমরা আবেদন জানাবো।
This comes on a day when a woman worker named Kakoli Khetrapal was killed in East Bardhaman. The BJP, Trinamool and the Communist Party have claimed that the woman was their member. 3 Trinamool workers were killed in Bardhaman district. 1 ISF worker was killed in North 24 Parganas. Prime Minister Modi phoned Governor Jaideep Dhankar, expressing anguish over the law and order situation in the state.
प्रांत के अनेक जगह से रिपोर्ट आ रही है। जब पूरे प्रांत से मेरे पास जानकारी आई, SOS कॉल्स आई, तो मैंने राज्य के DGP को निर्देश दिया कि मुझसे तुरंत मिले और यही निर्देश मैंने कोलकाता पुलिस कमिश्नर को दिया। दोनों आए, हालात के बारे में जानकारी दी, तब तक 9 की डेथ हो चुकी थी।
Despite Mamata's appeal for peace, political violence continues in the state. It was one of the most peaceful elections in Bengal in recent history, but relief for the people was short-lived. With Anupam Mishra and Poulomi Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.